In this video, we are going to see how we can change our TikTok username on our profile in the TikTok application. It's a pretty straightforward and simple process here, guys. All we have to do is just click on the profile on the bottom right hand corner. And once you see the main screen, you click on the edit button next to your username. You click on that. And from here, you can change your TikTok main name or username if you want to. So for example, I want to make it Upskill-Education. Make sure you don't give any space. You can try any underscore or so on to make sure if it is available. Underscores are not permitted, I guess. So let's write something else. And also the uppercase is not allowed. So now this one is valid. Okay, Upskill-Education is also valid because every username is unique. So that's why you have to make a couple of tries in order to get the right one. Click on save, click on confirm, and just keep in mind that you can change your username after every 30 days. So right now we have changed one time. If you want to rechange it, you need to wait for 30 days in order to change it again. Click on confirm, and that is how we basically do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.